So question number 12, my dear students. At NTP, 28 grams of nitrogen occupies 22.4 liters. What is the mass of 5.6 liters of nitrogen at 38 centimeter of Hg pressure and 273 degrees centigrade? You should know first of all what is STP. STP means that standard temperature and pressure. What is standard temperature? Standard temperature is always 0 degrees centigrade, which is nothing but 273 Kelvin. This is standard temperature. What is standard pressure? Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. In SI system, 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. This is the value of this is in SI system, this is in atmospheres. This is in SI system, this is in degree centigrade. So this is standard temperature and pressure. Sometimes NTP is also given. Don't confuse the NTP and STP. Both are same only, my dear students. Natural temperature and pressure. Natural temperature and pressure is also again 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmosphere only. Don't confuse between the terms STP and NTP. Both are same only. So please remember these values for STP and NTP. At NTP, 28 gram of nitrogen occupies 22.4 liters. What is the mass of 5.6 liters of nitrogen at 38 centimeter of Hg pressure and 273 degrees centigrade temperature? You know ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT, but उन्होंने mass दिया, therefore write this in terms of mass by molecular weight into this. This is the expression for ideal gas equation in terms of pressure, volume and temperature. So I want to write this expression. One is for nitrogen and other is, both are nitrogen only. At NTP, 28 grams of nitrogen occupies 22.4 liters. What is the mass of 5.6 liters of nitrogen at 38 centimeter of Hg? Same only is asking. So same nitrogen only you are using both the times. This is constant, my dear student. Both are constants it is. And temperatures are changed. One is at 0 and other is at T degree centigrade. This is constant, this is constant. Therefore you can write PV by MT or PV by T is proportional to M. I can write PV by T is proportional to M. Or you can write M proportional to PV by T, you can write. Mass second time to the mass first time is equal to pressure second time to the pressure first time, volume second time to the volume first time, temperature first time to the temperature second time, because they are inversely proportional. This is a very, 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 very important relation, my dear student. Initial mass of the gas is given as 28 gram. I am keeping in grams only. Initial pressure STP 1 atmosphere ले ले. 1 atmosphere mean here it is given in terms of Hg. 1 atmosphere is nothing but 76 centimeter of Hg, and second time pressure is given 38 centimeters. First time it is occupying 22.4 liters. Second time it is occupying 5.6 liters. Sir, why you are not converted into SI system? Because as I am taking the ratio, I need not to convert. Initial temperature is 0 degree centigrade, which is 273 degrees centigrade. It is final temperature is 273 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 273 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 2 into 273 or 546 Kelvin. Also you can write 2 into 273 Kelvin. Why I am writing mean 272 to 273 I can cancel easily. So that's why I am writing this as 2 into 273. आपको समझ में नहीं आई तो ये लिखो, आपको समझ में आने तक लिखना है. ये देखो 38 1 38 2 ये how many times it is cancelled? This is cancelled 4 times. This is also cancelled. This is 2, this is 4, this is 2. ये देखो, this is 4 1 this is 4 7 Therefore what you are getting m2 7 उधर लेके जाओ 7. इधर बच गया क्या है 7/4 it is. 7/4 is equal to how much? 4 1 4 means 30 you are getting. 4 7 28. This is your final answer. इसमें किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते।
So the value 76.
अरे that is initially at STP na. STP mean at STP standard temperature, standard pressure is 1 atmosphere, which is nothing in terms of mercury, 76 centimeter of Hg na, which is only 10 meter of water na, which is only 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal na. I have given all these things to you. 1 एटमॉस्फेयर भी ले सकते हैं, 76 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ Hg ले सकते हैं, 1 मीटर ऑफ 10 मीटर ऑफ वाटर भी ले सकते हैं, 1.013 into 10 power 5 पास्कल भी ले सकते हैं. I can take initial pressure is atmospheric pressure, 1 atmosphere pressure, because this pressure is given in centimeter of Hg, P2 is given in centimeter of Hg, therefore P1 is 1 atmosphere in centimeter of Hg, which is 76 centimeter of Hg. समझ में आया मैडम?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You write down this equation and write again like this. हम लोग ने कभी भी फिजिक्स में यू हैव टू गेट द रिलेशन अमॉन्ग वेरिएबल्स. क्या क्या चेंज हो रहे हैं इधर, वॉल्यूम चेंज हो रहे, प्रेशर चेंज हो रहे, टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहे, मास चेंज हो रहे. दिस इज कांस्टेंट बिकॉज सेम गैस आई एम यूजिंग सेम. फर्स्ट फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट टाइम नाइट्रोजन यूज किया, सेकंड टाइम ऑक्सीजन यूज किया, देन एम आल्सो चेंजेस. molecular weight is constant for given gas. When gas is changes, molecular weight is also changes. But in the problem, at both the times you are using nitrogen only. Therefore, for nitrogen, M is constant, molecular weight is constant. This is also constant. Hence, get the relation among the variables. This is only required. अरे ये calculation part सबको आते रहे. Getting proper relation is very important in the physics. वो किसके लिए पूछ रहे हैं, मास के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, वैसे लिखो क्या है, रिवर्स करो उसको. is given initial mass, he is asking final mass, therefore final by initial, final pressure by initial pressure, final volume by initial volume, it is inversely proportional, therefore initial temperature by final temperature. समझना है, each and every question को समझना है, because many of you don't solve many problems at board level, that's why you will face the problem with the physics. I too understand, I can understand you, but I am teaching from zero. You have to learn now. And yesterday someone is saying that I didn't got time for the proper preparation. क्यों नहीं मिलते? You will get time. You have to create the time. You have to create the time for studies. Shall I repeat, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
करण समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 13 रे. This is page number 63, book 4 में. Question number 13. A vessel of volume 4 liters contains a mixture of 8 grams of oxygen, 14 grams of nitrogen, 22 grams of carbon dioxide at 27 degrees centigrade. The pressure exerted by the mixture is, for example रे, ये एक कंटेनर है रे. Suppose if it is an open container, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं लिया मैंने, this is just open container, then pressure inside the container will be atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure इधर जितना होता है इधर भी उतना ही होगा. मैं अभी ये कंटेनर में क्या डाल दिया, कुछ ऑक्सीजन छोड़ा मैंने. I send some oxygen, I send some nitrogen, I send some carbon dioxide also. Then what happens, a 4 liter container, in that 4 liter container I have added all this. Then what happens, the pressure gradually increases. If I add only oxygen, little bit pressure is increases. If I add nitrogen, further pressure is increases. If I add carbon dioxide, further increases. If I add any other gas, further increases. जितना आप ऐड करते रहते, प्रेशर इंक्रीज होते रहते. जैसे सर्वर्स खत्म हो गई तो आपके ऊपर प्रेशर जैसे इंक्रीज हो जाते. तो इधर भी एक कंटेनर में continuously if you insert the gases in that, so then pressure is gradually increases. Then what is the pressure बोल के पूछ रहे. So you know that ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. masses लिया, therefore m by m RT ले सकते हैं मैंने. This is PV. He is asking pressure, therefore pressure P is equal to RT by V into m by m. Total pressure created is equal to pressure due to oxygen plus pressure due to nitrogen plus pressure due to carbon dioxide. This is creating some pressure. This is Dodds law of partial pressures. You have studied in chemistry also. Total pressure is equal to this much. इधर ये तीनों सेम है. Therefore, I am writing RT by V, mass of oxygen by mass of molecular weight of oxygen plus mass of nitrogen by molecular weight of nitrogen plus mass of carbon dioxide by molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Any doubt up to here, my dear students? Any doubt up to here? That's all. Nothing is there. You have to substitute the values. R is given 8.314. Temperature is given at 27 degrees centigrade, but this is absolute temperature 300. Volume is given 4 liters. 4 liters. You can't keep volume is 4 liters like that. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. Cc stands for centimeter cube. Cc means centimeter cube. But SI unit of volume is meter cube. This is equal to, रफ में किधर भी लिखना है, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. उसको क्यूब करो. This is equal to 10 cube into 10 power minus 6, which is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. You should remember forever this is 1 liter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. 4 liters, 4 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Mass of oxygen, oxygen का कितना मास लिया? 8 grams. What is molecular weight of oxygen? 32, because already yesterday I have explained. Oxygen is available 80. Oxygen atomic nuclei you can indicate like this. Atomic number, mass number, oxygen. But oxygen is available in O2 form, 16 2s are 32. Next to nitrogen, kitna liya? Nitrogen is taken 22 grams. 22 only. Nitrogen, 14 grams of nitrogen. 14 grams. But what is nitrogen? 7N14. Nitrogen is also available in N2 form, 14 2s are 28. Plus mass of the carbon dioxide is how much? 22. What is carbon dioxide rate? Molecular weight.
44.
Carbon means 6012. Oxygen means 32. कितना हो जाते रहिए? 44 हो जाते. फिजिक्स में फिजिक्स आते, केमिस्ट्री आते. फिजिक्स में फिजिक्स आते, मैथ्स आते. देयरफॉर फिजिक्स में सब आते. समझ में आया ना? If you don't know chemistry, then also you can't understand physics. If you don't know maths, then also you don't understand physics. ये molecular weight कैसे निकालना वो भी मैं बताने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. From the lower section you are doing all these things. Calculate, my dear students, you will get the answer. That's all. 8.314 into 300 by 4 into 10 power minus 3. 8 ones are 8 fours are 14 ones are 14 twos are 22 ones are 22 twos are. This is equal to 8.314. ये minus 3 ऊपर गए तो plus 3 होता, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 by 4 here. 1 by 2 mean 0.25, 0.5, 0.5. This is 1. 1 plus 0.5, 0.25, 1.25. Just you calculate, my dear students, you will get the answer. You calculate, you must do that. 4 ones are 4 0 रखो, ये पूरा मैं 32 ले सकते रहे, 4 8 32, 3 से लिए तो 3 4 24, 3 1 3 into 1.25 into 10 to the power of 5, 3.25 into 1.25 कैलकुलेशन करो, नहीं तो ये 1.25 को 5/4 भी लिख सकते हैं आप, दैट्स अप टू यू। चलो ये वैसे मल्टीप्लाई करो, 5 5 25, 2 5 2 10 plus 2 12, 1 5 3 15, 1 16, 325 2 650, 325 1 325, इसको ऐड किए तो 5 2 10 plus 6 16, this is 1, 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10, this is 1, you are getting this as 4, you are getting no.
सर वो 8.34 को डिवाइड कर 2.08 आएगा ना वहाँ पे वो।
हाँ ये 2 आते रहे, 4 2 8 ना रही है, ये 2.08 it is, this is 2.08, 2.08, if you calculate this, 3 8 24, 3 2 6 into 1.25 into 10 to the power of 5, 6.24 into 1.25, 5 4 22, 5 2 10 plus 2 12, 1, 5 6 30 plus 1 31, so 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 2 6 12, this is 4, this is 2, this is 6, 0 8 plus 2 10, this is 1, 4 plus 2 10, this is 1, 4 plus 4, this is 8, this is 7, this one is after 4 digits, 7.8, I am getting this as 7.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal, because all units are in SI system. What is the answer given, my dear students? 7.69. Okay, because it is not given us properly, we have assumed like this, therefore you will get like this. You might be taken only up to this, maybe is taken 8.32 might be taken, कभी कभी वैसे भी ले सकते, इतना हम लोग नहीं देखना है. दिस इज करेक्ट आंसर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज टेक इट. इसमें किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं, थोड़ा लंबा कैलकुलेशन है. अरे आप लोग डायरेक्टली ये स्टेप को भी आ सकते रहे, n मीन n प्लस n1 प्लस n2 प्लस n3 भी ले सकते हैं आप. इन प्लेस ऑफ n यू कैन राइट n1 प्लस n2 प्लस n3, n1 is this, n2 is this, n3 is this. In some other book you may find it pv is equal to bracket n1 plus n2 plus n3 bracket plus rt भी ले सकते हैं आप, that is up to you. ये प्रॉब्लम में कितना कॉन्सेप्ट्स आए आपको देखो. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट लीटर इनटू मीटर क्यूब, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज p total, it is 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. Please remember my dear students, please you remember this conversion, it is very much useful. Every time you need not to do this conversion, wherever you are getting liters, 1 liter is 10 power minus 3 meter cube लिखना है अभी से. If you have any doubt, please raise your doubt, my dear students. रोहित, कैलकुलेशन समझ में आया? किधर भी कुछ भी दिक्कत है क्या?
नहीं.
Manoj, still any doubt?
No sir.
Any other student, any doubt?
No, sir.
All of you copied, my dear students. Shall I rub it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
With this, the level 1 problems are over, my dear students. Now I will start with level 2 problems. Some new students are there. I know that it is very difficult to follow properly this physics class because I have completed entire theory part. I have started problems, and the problems also almost 50% of the problems are also over. Within 1-2 days, this chapter will complete, and I hope that after 2 days I may start the new chapter. So if you have any doubts, if you have other books also, please you go through that. If you have any doubts also, you can send me. Okay, my dear students, next problem. This is problem number 1 in level 2. Classroom teaching questions level 2, page number same 63 only. A vessel contains a gas under a pressure of 5 into 10 power 5 Pascal. If 3/5 of the mass is flown out, if 3/5 of the mass is flown out, what will be the gas pressure if the pressure being maintained constant? This is our question. A vessel contains a gas under a pressure of 5 into 10 power 5 Pascal. If 3/5 of the mass of the gas is flown out, what will be the pressure? अरे जब टोटल मास इसमें है उसमें प्रेशर है 5 into 10 power 5 पास्कल रहे. बोलो तो some mass m mass, say m mass mean assume that it is 20 grams of oxygen, say, or 32 grams of oxygen, which is equal to 1 mole. When 32 grams of oxygen is there, you are getting 5 into 10 power 5 Pascal. उसमें से आपने कुछ निकाल दिया, 3/5 निकाल दिया, not 3/5 anything, something you are removed. If you remove something, is the pressure in that remaining cylinder, remaining chamber increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Decreases. Therefore, your answer which is less than 5 into 10 power 5 correct answer. अरे इसको हम लोगों ने मेगा में लिखे तो 5 into 10 power 5 पास्कल को मैं मेगा में लिखे तो 0.5 into 10 power 6 पास्कल which is equal to 0.5 मेगा पास्कल. 0.5 मेगा पास्कल. समझ में है ना? पहले इतना प्रेशर है, अभी प्रेशर कितना होना है? लेस देन 0.5 मेगा पास्कल होना है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखो 50 मेगा पास्कल, सेकंड वन 2 मेगा पास्कल, थर्ड वन 0.5 मेगा पास्कल, 0.2 third option 0.2 mega Pascal, 0.4 0.5 mega Pascal. You need not to solve this problem, my dear student. Option 3 is correct. If you use your brain, you need not to solve the problems, some of the problems. Without solving problems also you can get the answer. Option 3 is correct. क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा गैस निकाल दिए तो प्रेशर कम हो जाते हैं. So therefore मेरा इनिशियल प्रेशर इतने हैं. Then what is my final pressure? My final pressure is less than my initial pressure. Therefore I will get it as option 3 I will get. That's all. Otherwise, if you want to show mathematically, so first of all you note down the pressure because final answers are given in mega pressures. So pressure PV is equal to m by m into RT. This is an ideal gas equation, my dear student. In this ideal gas equation, what are changing? पहले इसमें m मास था पहले, अभी इसमें से because it is an open tube, इसमें से 3/5 of the mass is gone. So, but volume occupied by the remaining gas is also same. Therefore, this is constant. I am using same gas. This is constant. This is also constant. And also keeping the temperature being maintained constant. This is also constant. Temperature constant. This is universal gas constant. Same gas only I am using. This is constant. In open tube, in open container, volume is remains constant. So these, sorry, open बोल के नहीं दिए ना, अरे इसमें से निकाल दिए ना रे. अगर if ये closed है तो कैसे निकाल देते हम लोग? You can't remove anything if it is closed. So therefore this is also constant. Therefore what is relation among the variables? capital P proportional to m. This is the relation, required relation. You want pressure second time to the pressure first time is equal to mass second time to the mass first time. Mass first time let it as m. What is mass second time? अरे तुम्हारा पास 5 rupees है रे, तुम्हारा पास 5 rupees है and you lost 2/5 of the money. You have 5 rupees and you lost 2/5 of the rupees. 2/5 of the rupees you lost. Then how much you are having? Are you having 2/5 of the rupees only? You had 5 rupees. Lost mean minus. How much you lost? 2/5 of the 5 rupees. 5 cancel हो गया. 5 minus 2. You are having 3 rupees. वैसे ही पहले इसमें m मास था, इसमें से अभी बाहर कितने गया? 3/5 m गया. Therefore, what is remaining mass? What is remaining mass?
2/5.
2/5 होता. So remaining mass is equal to initial mass minus escaped mass. Take m common. 1 minus 3/5. You calculate 5 minus 3. 2/5 m. इधर आपने 2/5 m लिखना है. इनिशियल प्रेशर क्या दिया उन्होंने? 0.5 मेगा पास्कल. वो पहले कैलकुलेशन करना है, मैं नहीं तो जितना दिया उतने ही लिखो. दैट इज गिवन एज 5 into 10⁵ पास्कल. What is your final pressure? This is cancelled. You cross multiply. P2 is equal to 2/5 into 5 into 10 to the power of 5. 5 भी cancel हो गया. This is 2 into 10⁵ पास्कल is the correct answer. बट उन्होंने पास्कल में नहीं दिया, मेगा पास्कल में दिया. सो यू राइट 0.2. बोले तो इधर एक 10 लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज 10⁵ पास्कल which is equal to 0.2 megapascal is your answer. हम लोगों को ये m is mass of the gas which exists. It is not the mass of the gas which is removed. Exist mass, exist temperature, exist pressure, exist volume, existing values, not removed values.
So 0.2 into 10⁶ आएगा.
0.2 into 10⁶ only, correct. But 10⁶ only mega. 0.2 megapascal is your correct answer. Hence, your option 3 is correct. Any doubt is there? Shraddha? श्रद्धा करा ले. कुछ भी डाउट है मैडम इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay. Copy that.
Yes, sir.
Sweta Jadhav? Sweta?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt मैडम?
No, sir.
क्लास में अच्छा फॉलो करते, बायो में 300 से ऊपर आते, फिजिक्स में नहीं आते. बायो में आए तो फिजिक्स में भी आना है. चलो.
Yes.
कौमुदी, एनी डाउट मैडम?
No, sir.
सृष्टि चौहान, कॉपी करने के बाद बताइए मैडम एक बार.
Done, sir.
ओके. और कौन भी नहीं लिखे तो बताना है मेरे को. Then definitely I will explain, my dear students, and I will give extra time to you. Next question re. Question number 2. When an air bubble of radius small r rises from the bottom to the surface of a lake, its radius becomes 5/4 r. The pressure of the atmosphere is equal to 10 meter of height of water column. This is already I have explained. If temperature is constant and the surface tension is neglected, then depth of the lake is. डेप्थ ऑफ द लेक स्मॉल h इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल H इंटू एन क्यूब माइनस वन। सर आपने एन क्यूब क्यों ले रहे हैं, एन क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? अरे ओनली वॉल्यूम दिए तो एन लेना है, रेडियस नहीं तो उन्होंने रेडियस पूछे तो, नहीं तो वॉल रेडियस पूछे तो देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस आर क्यूब। रेडियस पूछे तो आर क्यूब। दिस इज इक्वल टू h is given 10 meter of water. So radius is how many? Initial radius is r, final radius is how much it is? 5/4 r. Therefore what is the ratio? Final radius by initial radius 5/4 आते ये 5/4 whole cube minus 1. This is equal to 10 into, this is 1.25. 5/4 mean 1.25 into 1.25 into 1.25 minus 1 it is. This is equal to 10 into, इसको मल्टीप्लीकेशन किए तो कितना आते रहे वैल्यू? What is the value you will get, my dear students? Verify once. .953 आते, 1.953 एक बार देखना है कंपलसरी। 1.25 into 1.25, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 1 5 1s are 5 1 6, 125 2s are 250, 125 1s are 125, 5 2 10 plus 6 16, 1, this is 5, this is 1, this decimal is after 4 digits. 1.56 into again 1.25, because third time also you have to multiply. Again you do that, you will get 1.953. You will get 1.953 minus 1, which is equal to 0.953. 0.953 into 10, 9.53. This is in meters, therefore this is meter you will get. This is your answer. Gayatri Kamble, any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
Anjali, yourself?
No, sir.
I am specially congratulating the Shruti Itkal, because she is not attempted thermal expansion of solids. Almost expansion of solids ending में आया वो. Being attending the topic at the end, she got 144 marks. Extremely well it is. Extremely well. Madam, please keep it up and try to score the maximum marks.
Thank you, sir.
आपका intention रहे, your intention must be very strong. If you are having stronger intention and you are working hard like that, definitely you will get success. सृष्टि दागतोड़े लिखा मैडम ये?
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Next question, right? Yeah. The question number 3. How many star marks you want to take? You can take 10 star marks to this question, because this is the question which is given nearly 20 to 25 times in different competitive exams. अगर आपको easy paper देना है, most standard questions देना है, I hope this type of question may be given even next year also. This is the question which is given many times. It is repeated many times in the different competitive exams, like JEE, NEET, AIMS, JIPMER, like that. So many competitive exams, even state boards competitive exams, MHCET, KSET, ESET, EMSET, like that. In all competitive exams, such questions are given. Question number 3, my dear students, very important and easier one. How much should be the pressure of the gas be increased to decrease the volume by 10% at constant temperature? Mean, if volume of the gas is decreased by 10%, if volume of the gas is decreased by 10%, how many times the pressure is, how much percentage the pressure is increases? This is the question. If volume of the gas is decreases by 10%, is the pressure is all increases by 10% only? One of the answer, definitely 10% will be given among the four. The first option itself is 10%. Suppose if P directly proportional to V, if you have the relation like this, if this is increases by 10%, then this is also increases by 10%. If this is decreases by 10%, this is also decreases by 10%. But this is not the correct relation. The relation between P and V is this, inversely proportional. Therefore, if you increase this by 10%, or if you decrease this by 10%, this, when you decrease this, this is increases. It will not increase by 10%. It will increase other than 10%. Please remember that. So you know that P1 V1, because it is constant temperature. Constant temperature means Boyle's law, my dear student. In Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. So therefore P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 I can take. Okay now. Next, I want to get the value of P2. P2 is equal to P2 by P1 is equal to V1 by V2. What is initial volume? Say initial volume of the gas is V. What is final volume? Final volume means 10% less than initial volume. वो मैं नहीं ले रहे, वो बुक में दिया है. How much should be the pressure of the gas increased to decrease the volume by 10%? Volume of the gas is decreased by 10%. So final volume is equal to initial volume decrement minus, decrement mean lost, lost mean minus, gain mean plus. How much percent? 10% of the initial volume. You are taking initial volume is V, V minus V by 10, I can write this is, or 0.1, 1 by 10 means 0.1 V. V take common, 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.9 V it is. Now V cancel हो गया. This is 1, this is 0.9. This is equal to 1 by 0.9 is equal to how much? 0.9 means 9 by 10. I am writing steps for you. This is nothing but 10 by 9. 10 ऊपर जाते, 10 by 9 बोले तो कितना? 9 1 जा 9, 1 आते, डिसमल ले ले, फिर 10 आ जाते हैं, 9 1 जा 1, 9 1 जा 1, 9 1 जा 1 बोले तो, अरे दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रे. जो वैल्यू आपको इधर आया उसको आपने कभी भी 1 प्लस समथिंग या 1 माइनस समथिंग लिखना है. This is more than 1, therefore I can write 1 plus 0.111 I can write. Plus mean increment. 0.11 बोले तो क्या है? 0.11 बोले तो 0.11 by 100, which is nothing but 11%. So 0.111 बोले तो 11.1% increases because ये decrease हो गया. Volume decreased, hence pressure is increases by 11.1%. डियर स्टूडेंट, आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको फाइनल प्रेशर चाहिए. राइट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर फाइनल प्रेशर P2 by P1 you write, then you will get V1 by V2. What is V1? Initial volume. What is V2? Final volume. बट उन्होंने फाइनल वॉल्यूम क्या दिया? 10% लेस देन इनिशियल वॉल्यूम. इनिशियल वॉल्यूम लेस मीन माइनस, तो मैंने वैसे लिख रहे 10 by 100 और 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1, which is equal to mean 10%. 100% में 10% निकाल दिया. कितना परसेंटेज रहते हैं? 90%. is nothing but 0.9 V. mean initial volume is V, final volume is 0.9 V. V कैंसिल हो गया. 1 by 0.9. 0.9 mean 9 by 10. 10 ऊपर जाते तो 10 by 9. 10 by 9 बोले तो 1.111. मैं क्या बोलते, कभी भी आपको आंसर समझो आपको 2.56 आया, एक क्वेश्चन में आंसर आपको इतना आया, विच इज हाउ मच? नहीं तो आपको 1.56 आया, समझो आंसर, देन 1 प्लस 0.56. 0.56 बोले तो क्या है? 56%. प्लस बोले तो क्या है? इंक्रीमेंट. देयरफॉर इंक्रीजेस बाय 56% योर आंसर. हाँ सर 1.56 ही क्यों लेना है? आई वांट टू टेक 2.56. टेक ना, आपको 2.56 है तो भी आप 1 प्लस 1.56 ही लिखना है. 1 प्लस समथिंग और 1 माइनस समथिंग लिखना है। 2.56 को 1 प्लस 1.56, 0.56 मीन 56%, 1 मीन 100%, 156% is your answer. 1.56 is nothing but 156 by 100 is nothing but 156%. Therefore, here volume of the gas is increases by 11.1%, my dear students. You should not calculate, just you take it. If you have any doubt in it, please raise your doubt, my dear students. Very important problem. Such model 100% you will get in coming exam. Not that problem. Some other problem you will get. Any doubt is there, my dear student?
No, sir.
Shruti Chandni? Shruti Chandni?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, madam?
No, sir.
Vaishnavi More?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi? Any doubt is there, madam?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay. Still anyone has any other doubt, my dear students? Anjali?
No, sir, no
Anjali?
doubt.
Daniel 1.22 बोले तो मीनिंग क्या है रे? 1.22 बोले तो कितना परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हो गया? दानियल, दानियल बोलना है बेटा, वैसे नहीं बैठना है। मौजम, मौजम 1.22 बोले तो कितना, समझो आपको प्रॉब्लम करने के बाद आपको 1.22 आया, बोलो तो कितना परसेंटेज इंक्रीमेंट हो गया या डिक्रीज हो गया? 1 प्लस 0.22
122.
0.22 मीन 22% इंक्रीज। समझो आपको एक प्रॉब्लम में आंसर आया 0.8 आया रे, देन व्हाट यू विल कंक्लूड फ्रॉम दिस?
1 minus 0.8.
नो, हाउ मच परसेंट इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज आई वांट?
80%.
20% क्या हो गया? 20% क्या हो गया? डिक्रीज हो गया। बिकॉज ना हमारा को जो वैल्यू मिला उसको 1 प्लस और 1 माइनस लिखना है। दिस इज लेस देन 1। हाउ मच लेस देन 1? It is 0.8. I can write 1 minus 0.2. 0.2 means 20%. Minus means decrement. Therefore 20% decreases. अरे आप लोग ना ये प्रॉब्लम्स अभी कर रहे हैं, आपको थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है, मेरे को मालूम है। एक 4-5 प्रॉब्लम वैसे करते हैं ना आप लोग, आपको अच्छा समझ में आएगा। ओके ना? Shall I repeat, my dear students?
Sir, that 0.8 वाला डाउट था थोड़ा।
अभी तुम्हारा को ये कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद 0.8 आया है। 0.8 इज मोर देन 1 और लेस देन 1?
Less than 1.
हाउ मच लेस देन 1?
0.8.
मीन 1 minus x is equal to 0.8. ओके ना? x is equal to 1 minus 0.8 which is equal to 0.2. mean it is 0.2 less it is. mean 1 minus 0.2 I can write it as 0.8. mean 0.8 को I can write it as 1 minus 0.2. minus mean decrement, 0.2 mean 20%. अब 0.2 ही क्यों लिया सर बोल के आपको डाउट है। यू नो दैट दिस वैल्यू इज लेस देन 1. I want to know how much it is less than 1. Say it is x less than 1. Therefore 1 minus x is equal to 0.8. Send minus x to that side plus x. Send 0.8 to this side. X is equal to 1 minus 0.8. Therefore 0.2. पहले आप लोग वैसे करना है, बाद में ना आप देख के बता सकते। 0.64 आया आपको, therefore decreases by 36%. और एक तरीके से भी बताते रहे मैं, आप इसको कितना ऐड किए तो 1 होता. दिस इज 0.8. हाउ मच यू विल ऐड सो दैट यू विल गेट 1? 0.2 ऐड करना है यू. इतना कम है इसमें, therefore 20% less. Like that you can understand in many ways, my dear students, that you will get with certain practice only, you will understand much better. समझ में आया ये प्रॉब्लम? Any doubt is there, my
Yes,
dear
sir.
student, to anyone? Very important problem, my dear students. The same problem given at least 10 times in different competitive exams. I found more than that. Okay, Ray. Next, fourth problem. 1 liter of oxygen at a pressure of 1 atmosphere and 2 liter of nitrogen at a pressure 0.5 atmosphere are introduced in a vessel. Are introduced in a vessel of 1 liter capacity without any change in temperature. The total pressure in atmosphere is. There are two chambers, two containers. There are two containers. In one container, oxygen is there. In another container, nitrogen is there, it seems. 1 liter of oxygen. This is one container. This is 1 liter container which consists of oxygen. This is at what pressure? This is at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere. This is 2 liter of. This is 2 liter. This is nitrogen. And this is at 0.5 atmosphere. It is. समझ में आए ना? It is in 0.5 atmosphere. अभी मैं क्या कर रहे? I am taken only 1 liter vessel. This is in the beginning. Initially this is like this. अभी मैं 1 liter का फ्लास्क ही ले रहे मैं. I have taken a container of 1 liter only. ये 1 liter में पहले मैंने ये इधर डाल दिया पूरा इसको, फिर इधर भी ये भी डाल दिया इधर अभी इसको. अभी टोटल प्रेशर क्या हो जाते मेरे को बताओ? बताओ ना, प्रेशर इंक्रीज होता है या डिक्रीज होता?
Increase.
Increase. Your answer is more than 1 atmosphere is your answer. More than 1 atmosphere is the answer. So how much it is more, we will see that. It is taken at same pressure only. So according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. I can't take N also because number of moles I am not taking. Why? The reason is how much mass is taken which is not given. Okay now, PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT I can take. Same temperature liya. This is also constant. Total number of moles. समझो इसमें N1 moles है, इसमें N2 moles है. तो मिक्स किए तो number of moles change होता है क्या? वो भी change नहीं होता. Say this is 2 moles. Say this is 4 moles. Total number of moles 6 only it is, which remains constant. समझ में आया ना? So therefore initially before I am collecting how many moles of gas is there total? 2 moles plus 4 moles, 6 moles. मैंने दोनों को मिक्स किया. Number of moles change होते क्या? नहीं, उतने ही रहते. So therefore this is also constant. Therefore PV is equal to constant. Mean PV before collecting is equal to PV after connecting. Before connecting two different vessels, P1 V1 plus P2 V2. After connecting only one vessel, PV, that's all. This P1 is how much? 1 atmosphere. This V1 is how much? 1 liter. This P2 is how much? 0.5 atmosphere. This V2 is how much? 2 liter. This V after connection is how much? 1 liter. What is P? He is asking that. This is 1 plus 0.5 into 2. 1 only, which is equal to P. Therefore, P is equal to 2 atmosphere is your answer. कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं, my dear students. अरे at constant temperature, the PV of the combination is always remains constant. PV before connecting is equal to PV after connecting. The product of the PV do not change. Individually P changes, individually V changes, but the product of PV do not change. अरे और एक तरीके से और अंडरस्टैंड किए तो क्या है रे, पीवी बोले तो क्या है रे, पीवी बोले तो क्या है, एनर्जी। समझो इसमें 5 जूल्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, इसमें 10 जूल्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, ये दोनों का ऐड किए तो मेरे को कितना जूल्स ऑफ एनर्जी आएगा? assume that here it is only 5 joules of energy, here say 10 joules of energy, 5 and 10 total energy कितना आते रहे? 15 joules. Simple. So energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Total energy of the system is constant. So in this system 5 joules of energy, because the product of PV is nothing but energy, work, energy. तो इसमें कितना एनर्जी है, उसमें कितने एनर्जी है, वो दोनों को मिक्स करने के बाद भी उतने ही एनर्जी होता, बिकॉज एनर्जी नाइदर क्रिएटेड नॉर डिस्ट्रॉयड, द टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम इज रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. Previously two different vessels, these two you are adding in a single vessel, therefore the PV is remains constant. कावेरी कुछ भी डाउट है मैडम? कावेरी
Sir, repeat again.
दिस इज वन वेसल रे, इन दिस वेसल ऑक्सीजन लिया, वो वेसल का वॉल्यूम है, द कंटेनर वॉल्यूम इज 1 लीटर, उसमें ऑक्सीजन लिया, दैट इज एट 1 एटमॉस्फेयर, इट इज एट 1 एटमॉस्फेयर. दूसरा वेसल 2 लीटर का वेसल लिया, उसमें आपने नाइट्रोजन लिया, वो 0.5 एटमॉस्फेयर में है, ये अलग प्रेशर में है, ये अलग प्रेशर में है. अभी ये दोनों को आपने 1 लीटर फ्लास्क में लिया, 1 लीटर फ्लास्क में ये दोनों को छोड़ दिया, अभी इधर छोड़ दिए तो टोटल वॉल्यूम, बट इसका वॉल्यूम अभी फाइनल वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर हो गया. यू कांट यूज 2 लीटर प्लस 1 लीटर 3 लीटर, वैसे नहीं लिया, ये 1 लीटर कंटेनर में ये दोनों को छोड़ दिया, वो नहीं जाते, प्रेशर से डालना पड़ता उसको. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
पहले में अब जो दोनों कनेक्ट करते, इट इज एट लो प्रेशर, इट इज एट हाई प्रेशर, 1 एटमॉस्फेयर 0 प्रेशर. समझ में आया ना? देयरफॉर इसमें से इसमें आ जाते until their pressures are becomes equal, because it is evacuated. This is at 1 atmosphere, this is at 0 atmosphere. When you connect these two, इसमें से इसमें आ जाते, बट और इसमें कुछ बच जाते, इसमें से इधर लेके आने के लिए क्या करना है? प्रेशर देना है. If I give pressure, then only you will understand something. If I conduct exams, then only you will read. If I don't conduct exam, you don't read. Pressure is required for success. समझ में आया ना? इधर प्रेशर दिया देना है, then only the entire one will evacuated. Like this इसको भी वैसे ऐड करना है इसमें. ये 1 लीटर फ्लास्क में ये दोनों गैसेस को भर दिए, तो अभी इसमें फाइनल प्रेशर क्या होता? दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. हमारा जनरल नॉलेज भी यूज किए तो दिस इज 1 एटमॉस्फेयर, इट इज 0.5 एटमॉस्फेयर, हायर इज दिस, द फाइनल रिजल्टेंट प्रेशर इज मोर देन some higher individual one. Therefore your answer is more than 1 atmosphere is correct answer, but here all options are given more, 3 options are given more than. If you want to eliminate one of the option, first option you can eliminate, because resultant pressure is more than 1 atmosphere is the correct answer. ऐसे इसमें 1 atmosphere, इसमें 0.5 atmosphere, 1.5 atmosphere, you can't take like that, my dear students, you can't take like that, because it is given at constant temperature. You have to use Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. In the beginning 2 vessels are there, finally there is only 1 vessel, therefore PV of the combination, PV before connecting is equal to PV after connecting, you have to take. So finally you will get like this. Still doubt is there, my dear student? Still doubt is there? Vaishnavi, Kaveri?
No, sir, understood.
No.
ओके. क्लास में सब लोग नो डाउट बोलते, एग्जाम होने के बाद सब डाउट बोलते. क्या हो रहे आप लोगों को? टेंशन में मत बैठो, एग्जाम को टेंशन से मत बैठो, टेंशन निकाल के बैठना है. टेंशन निकालते जब आप अच्छा पढ़ते, अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस आते, तब आपका टेंशन कम हो जाते. आधा आधा पढ़ाई किए तो टेंशन ज्यादा ही होता, समझ में आया ना? ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी फिनिश दैट फिफ्थ प्रॉब्लम आल्सो। एक एक प्रॉब्लम को इतना इतना एक्सप्लेनेशन देते रहे मैं, स्टिल मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग लेस मार्क्स, डिसअपॉइंटिंग मी। चलो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, two closed vessels of equal volume contains air at 105 kilopascal at 300 Kelvin and are connected through a narrow tube. If one of the vessel is now maintained at 300 Kelvin and other is at 400 Kelvin, then pressure becomes. Excellent question रे it is. पहले क्या है रे? It is one vessel रे. इसका volume V पकड़ो. This is another vessel. Its volume is also V. This is at temperature 300 Kelvin. This is also at 300 Kelvin. It is filled with a gas 105 kilopascal. It is also filled with 105 kilopascal. Suppose if I am connecting by means of a narrow tube. सुबनीता, किधर से किधर गैस जाते अभी बताओ? If I connect to these two by means of a narrow tube, नहीं ऊपर क्यों लेते, नीचे ले ले, नीचे ले ले वैसा. If you connect these two vessels by means of a narrow tube, अभी किधर से किधर गैस जाते बताओ?
So equal volumes है ना?
हाँ, इक्वल वॉल्यूम है तो क्या है? वॉल्यूम से इक्वल है तो नहीं जाते क्या?
Equal on both the sides.
इक्वल प्रेशर है, that's why it do not flow. सपोज इधर 105 से 110 लिया मैंने, 110 किलो पास्कल लिया, इधर 105 है, अभी किधर से किधर जाते? हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर जाते. अभी ये केस में नहीं जाते बिकॉज बोथ आर एट सेम प्रेशर, देयरफॉर देयर इज नो ब्लो ऑफ द एयर, नो ब्लोइंग ऑफ द गैस बिटवीन दीज टू. अभी मैंने क्या किया, ये दोनों को नैरो ट्यूब से कनेक्ट किया एंड आई हैव टेकन वन इज एट 300 केल्विन, अनदर इज एट 400 केल्विन. अभी टेम्परेचर बढ़ लिया मैंने, अभी मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ दिए तो इसका टेम्परेचर पहले जितना है उतना ही है, बट दिस टेम्परेचर इज राइज्ड टू 400 केल्विन. नाउ प्रेशर इन इट इज मोर, प्रेशर इन इट इज लेस. नाउ air blows from here to here until their pressures are becomes equal. Here temperature is also changing, pressures are also changing. Ideal gas equation is PV by T before connecting, PV by T after connecting. Before connecting two vessels, P1 V1 by T1 plus P2 V2 by T2. This is before connecting. After connecting, both will be at same pressures. P V1 by T1, P V2 by T2. Because after they connecting, it will be in at common pressure. After connecting, they will be at common pressure. But this is pressure. This is here. Assume that volume of the each container is V. This is also PV by T. This is also PV by T only because volume same, temperature same, pressure same. Therefore, I can write it as 2 into pressure is 105 kilopascal, किलो में है, वॉल्यूम इज V ओनली, टेम्परेचर इज 300 ईयर. बट अभी क्या हो गया, इधर प्रेशर मेरे को मालूम नहीं है, इधर वॉल्यूम V है, इधर टेम्परेचर 300 केल्विन है, इधर प्रेशर PC है, इधर वॉल्यूम V है, इधर टेम्परेचर 400 है. अभी before connecting both are at same temperatures, that's why I have taken 300 300 300. आपको नहीं सर वैसे मैं नहीं लेते, ले लेना PV by T plus PV by T, 2 PV by T. समझ में आया ना? 2 pressure is 105 kilopascal, V is V only, T is 300. now इसको आपने एलसीएम ले ले, 300 इंटू 400, V कॉमन ले ले, V कैंसिल हो गया, इसमें V कैंसिल हो गया, इधर PC लिए तो एलसीएम लिए तो दिस इज 400 प्लस 300 आते इधर. This 300 is cancelled. 2 into 105 is equal to PC into 700 by 400. These two zeros are also cancelled. This is 4 2s are 8 into 105 is equal to PC into 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Therefore, PC is equal to 15 8s are 120. 120 kilopascal is your answer. 120 kilopascal is the correct answer, my dear students. इसमें कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो रे. Please understand, PV by T before connecting is equal to PV by T after connecting. Before connecting, there are two different vessels. After connecting also, there are different vessels only, but they will be at common pressure. Because now this is at high pressure. Now this is at high pressure because pressure directly proportional to temperature. When I increase the temperature, pressure in it is increases. It is at high pressure, it is at low pressure. Therefore, the gas blows from high pressure to low pressure until their pressures are changes. Let common pressure of the combination is PC. PC stands for common pressure. Now gas blows from high pressure to low pressure until their pressures are becomes equal. Now this is at a pressure PC and its volume is V1, its temperature is T1. This is again at same pressure, its volume is V2 and the temperature is T2. But हमारा problem में V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V. Therefore take V common and cancel in all of them. Initial pressure P by T plus P by T, 2P by T. 2 P is 105 kilopascal, temperature is 300 Kelvin. Either PC common ले ले, PC by 300 plus PC by 400. Take PC common 1 by 300 plus 1 by 400, which is nothing but 700 by 300 into 400. The 300 is cancelled. You will get like this. Here 2 zeros are cancelled. You cross multiply. 4 2s are 8, 105. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. PC is equal to 15, 8s are 120 you will get. Still, if you have any doubt, please raise your doubt, my dear students. वैष्णवी जादव, कुछ भी डाउट है मैडम? वैष्णवी, प्राची, प्राची, कुछ भी डाउट है क्या? नो
No,
आंसर.
sir, no doubt.
प्रियंका,
No, sir, no doubt.
still any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.